Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to get bee eggs and grow a garden. Now, the way you go about this, you just plant flowers in your garden, okay? You can see there's a bee egg right here. You plant the flowers in your garden and bees will basically naturally spawn and fly around them. And after a while, okay, they may drop bee eggs nearby. So you can see there's a flower right here. Next to it, we have a bee egg. So the more flowers you have, the higher chance of bee spawning and basically faster egg drops. What you can also do, you can come here to the market. So here's a seed shop, okay? So you can actually buy them from the NPC shop. Some versions of the game lets you purchase a bee eggs directly in the market. In the seed shop, a beekeeper NPC. They usually cost, by the way, coins, sometimes gems. So it's good if you want them instantly, then you can go ahead and get them right here. But otherwise, it's really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.